All right, so I know a lot of people are looking for different ways in order to make some extra money. A lot of people don't think about doing side hustles like delivering food. But really and truly, sometimes you can actually make some really good money delivering food, like with DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. Favor is also one that I've heard of that's new, that you can actually deliver with as well. I would suggest to check it out. But if you're looking for a side hustle, definitely check out DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, in Favor. With Favor, I do believe it. Okay, so Favor is actually only in the state of Texas, as of right now. From what I see, it is HEB owned. It's a demand service. So if you're in the state of Texas, I would suggest to check Favor out. Whenever you're doing like DoorDash or Uber Eats, I would suggest to be signed in to at least 2 different type of delivery apps. The reason why I say that, because if it's slow on one side, then more than likely it'll be busy on the other side. So let's just say, for example, if you're on, or if you're signed in on DoorDash and the first thing you get something on DoorDash before you get something on Uber Eats, pause Uber Eats and just go ahead on and start rolling on DoorDash and use DoorDash to make your cash, and then sign back into both after you deliver. And then whoever rings you, whoever alerts you first is who you go with. That's how you can actually, a way that you can actually make money as well. But don't not think that these delivery apps actually can give you the extra money. A lot of people, I have seen people just use these delivery apps to pay bills. Not just pay bills, but buy groceries, just different things. And I think it varies depending on the area that you live in. But if you are looking for some extra cash, definitely try it. I know I have done DoorDash before, and it was pretty easy, and I did make some good cash. And sometimes people will actually tip you on the app, and then when you'll get there, they'll tip you some more. So I've had that happen as well. So don't look down on people that deliver for DoorDash and think, oh, they doing something, they're below or beneath you. No, these are people that want extra cash. You don't know what is in anybody's pocket. So, but yeah, this is something to definitely try. It's a side hustle, for anybody that's needing or wanting additional money. If you're trying to pay off a bill, you can DoorDash, or you can Uber Eats. If you're in Texas, do Favor. You're paying off a bill. Everybody should have some goals that they're trying to obtain. So what's wrong with getting that extra money? I've even seen people DoorDash with their kids. Now, infants, they're too needy, but if you have big kids, yeah, I could see people doing that with their big kids. Just put them in the back seat. Make sure they're entertained. Make sure they have food and not wanting the food of the customers, or have you buying extra food, because that will be defeating the purpose. But definitely, if you're looking for a side hustle, check it out in your area. See how it works. If you need some gas money, something like that, try to use that to get your gas money. You never know. All right. But you guys, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this. Also, if you're looking for a remote work from home job, I have something that you may be interested in. I have a remote job application app, and I also have an email list that I send out with a list of remote work from home jobs. I send them out every Monday, and you can check it out. You can get the weekly email postings on momsquad, the number 8.gumroad.com/all lowercase l /VXDCMF, and this is $9.99 a month. But mind you, I send it out every week. The remote job application kit is momsquad, the number 8.gumroad.com/L/RAOZD. This provides you with all resources you need in order to be successful with finding a remote work from home job. Good luck out there. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.